Good morning, guys. It's Charlene. How are you feeling? Did you have a good weekend? I totally did. So yesterday I took time out and took about 4 hours or so to clean up my garage because I had one goal: to get rid of all of this clutter in my garage and be able to store my grandbaby's dirt bike and truck. He has like one of those big ride-on truck thingies. And I needed to store those in the garage and not my hallway. So, because I want to redo my hallway now. So, I just want it to look nice and neat. So I accomplished the goal. I'm very happy. And then, of course, I was tired, but I did get to complete my window seat. So I'm very happy about that. So, I told you I was doing like wall by wall because I'm doing all the work. So, I have to do things while I have the energy, I'm inspired, when I have the materials. So I'm happy. My window seat has gone through a few transformations. I put some pictures in of the befores, and I'm really happy with what I did right now. And there is a flow, so it looks like the kitchen, meaning it's not the exact, but it flows. It's the same colors and same feel. It's very cottage style, romantic, a little shabby. I did some DIYs on that tray, which is going to be for another video. I'm doing like that, one of those challenges where you use what you have. So I was happy to participate in that. And I'm going to drop that video. I don't know. I think it's in a few days. But anyway, window seat. So what I did to the window seat is I painted the bottom cabinet part white. It was black. I painted it white. And the only thing I have left to do now to the bottom area is I want to put on some medallions. So I ordered a kit from Amazon. And as soon as it's here, I'm going to take some clay and I'm going to make my own appliques. And I love that look. And I'm going to be so excited when they get here. It's going to be so pretty. And then up top where I had that home sign, I did paint over an old sign that I had, just like a simple white. And I'm actually going to applique either side of that as well, just to give it a little bit more substance. And I love the way that turned out. I kept my original chandelier, my little mini shandy. And I added some curtains to the side to flank the window seat. And, well, those are really sheets from Walmart, like twin size sheets. And I kind of jimmy rigged rods because I didn't have any. So eventually I would like to get some rods that are like cute and white and pretty. But, baby steps. I like to think outside of the box when I'm creating these, spaces in my house. I have allergies. And if I don't have something, I figure out how to make it because I'm not, about spending a lot of unnecessary money. I really want to make over my house with what I have first and then go buy stuff, So, for example, my daughter, she gifted me these pillows. They are so beautiful. She went to Ross and she found all 3 of these pillows. The pink, it looks sort of like a damask print. Those were $15.99, and the large pillow was $10. And of course, I'm going to get so many more pillows. I'm a pillow girl, and I love that look on a window seat. But I think she did beautiful, and it was such a nice gift. I really appreciate it. And I would like a nice throw. So, I'll get there. But for now, it's a very pretty wall, and it's one wall down in my living room. I'm so excited, y'all. And yeah, now I think I'm going to go revisit the fireplace because when I was cleaning out the garage, I found stuff that I could use for a fireplace. So that might be coming up next. Or I may go downstairs in the hallway now that that's free and actually brick a wall. Well, faux brick a wall. We'll see, y'all. Have a good week. Talk to y'all soon.